So, I'm gonna do something a little different in this video. Likewise, I'm just gonna do a 3D print So here we are with the snowflake. As you can see, it turned out pretty good. I had a little trouble taking it off the bed, but after that, I think it turned out pretty good. Nothing much else to say, but it's taken me a while to get off all those. If you can see around the snowflake, that's called a rift, I believe. Raft. And yeah, it's taken me a while to take off, as you can maybe hear right here. Yeah. It's taken me ages to take this off. But please like, subscribe, and leave a comment for any ideas. If you can comment a link from, there's a website called thingiverse.com that you can look for, and then I can print it if like it's semi-useful to my life. I have like a lot of material, and I will see you guys next time.